Wow, talk about a microburst. Gee, I sure hope I rolled my windows up. Wow. I mean, I guess I'll go out there and see. No, it's fine. Never mind. It's really wet. There's like an inch of rain there. I'm using the force. Like from Star Wars. Oh. Is that hail?
Wow, the water was coming in. I think it is.
Dang.
Very, very.
God, there's even mist. You can feel it. Watching Twister was Afro Pro. Yeah, there's the hail. Look at that. Holy crap. Yeah. We've got this on all of them. Oh shit. Okay. This might be an insurance claim on the cars. Shoot.
Time to get that stinking garage cleared out.
Wow.